Keeping toddlers safe since 1953, worry-free safety. Perfect for indoor-outdoor use, the North States Superyard creates a safe playpen anywhere. Add the ABC Play Mat, sold separately, for extra comfort sensory stimulation during tummy time. Amazing value, easy to install store. The safety gate easily hardware mounts for added stability. All mounting hardware and brackets are included. Storage is a snap, just remove the gate from the hinge, it's that easy. Versatile expandable. This durable plastic 6-panel play yard creates up to 18.5 square feet of protected play space. Extra wide barrier. The 6-panel play yard can now act as an extra wide safety barrier with the use of the Superyard Wall Mount Kit, sold separately. A perfect solution for homes with open floor plans. Fits openings 38.5 inches to over 16 feet wide. Baby safe. This gate is JPMA certified. Safe for babies ages 6 to 24 months. Fun for your child, peace of mind for you. Proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Great for new puppy. We purchased this for a new puppy Chihuahua. She was so little 2 pounds we needed to contain her from getting hurt from the big dog in house. Fits bed, water bowl, teething toys puppy pad and works well for a puppy pad training. We designed it as a rectangle. Dog run. Plenty of room for her, especially if you need to run out and don't want to leave her in a smaller cage. She cannot jump it. She is now 4 pounds now and is secure. Sturdy. Gives you a break during day when you need to get work done. Gives us peace of mind that tiny dog safe but can still walk around. Highly recommend as an addition to cage for puppy. Easy to put together.